Welcome to my channel. How to solve no internet secured problem in Windows 10 or 11. Step 1. Restart your devices. Restart your router and computer to refresh the internet connection. Step 2. Reconnect Wi-Fi network. Forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect using the correct password. Step 3. Run Network Troubleshooter. Use Windows Network Troubleshooter to detect and fix issues automatically. Step 4. Check airplane mode. Make sure airplane mode is disabled on your Windows laptop or PC. Step 5. Restart Wi-Fi adapter. Disable and enable the wireless adapter from Device Manager. Step 6. Update network driver. Install the latest Wi-Fi driver to fix connection problems. Step 7. Reset network commands. Run network reset commands in command prompt as administrator. Step 8. Disable VPN or antivirus. Turn off VPN or antivirus temporarily and test the internet again. Step 9. Change DNS settings. Use Google DNS to improve internet connectivity and stability. Step 10. Reset network settings. Perform a complete network reset and restart your computer. Thank you for watching.